Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing where I grab a random item, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Sundown Audio 600 watt peak dual 2-ohm VCE series V6-8-inch car subwoofer, or the E-V.6-8D2. So earlier this week we made a short talking about how we received the shipment of these, so I decided to talk about these insane subs today. So Sundown's first subs ever made were made back in 2008. And as time passed, they only refined it more and more. The E8V6 is the finest subwoofer available at the price that it's listed for, which we'll talk about later in the video. But, for its price at the time, it's the most refined for use in a small ported enclosure. The 8-inch uses a 2-inch voice coil, unique motor design with a heavily magnetic cap, and the motor geometry allows for the same 14mm one-way linear X-Max as the larger cone sizes. So now that we have that, let's talk a little bit about the features that it has. So this subwoofer has 600 watts of peak power, a dual 2-ohm voice coil, a 2-inch black aluminum voice coil former, a high temperature 4-layer copper voice coil wire, a vented magnetic cap for heat dissipation, and stitched on mini XL Tinsel LEDs. And those are some of the features that stand out in the sub. There's more information on it on our website. And speaking of our website, let's talk about prices. So right now, as of the moment, this is going up for $129.29, making it one of the most high quality and affordable subwoofers out there in the market. With an impressive 14mm one-way linear X-Max and optimization for ported enclosures, this subwoofer ensures deep, powerful bass in a compacted design. And if you want one right now, you can get yourself one at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/Sundown Audio. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also give our Facebook a follow. We post constant updates and sales up there, so you don't want to miss out. Also, comment below what you would like to see unboxed. In the meantime, I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching!